Yeah. But it's time to get up. It's time to get ready. And it's time to start getting ready to head out. Oh yeah, this will be recorded for the whole trip going down and the meet as the video. But, yeah.
You're so fucking around.
No. Yes, you look like shit right now. You're fine, honey. Hee. Bay's taking too long to get ready. Chattanooga bound, finally. We're probably about an hour and a half out. Just got a national not that long ago. Dodged a whole bunch of potholes though. These fucking I-24 roads suck terribly. Bay. Beep. So sadly Riverside was canceled, as most know. So I didn't get to showcase NPC's booth at the event. But here's the baby. We finally do a walk around of her. Completed.
I had strap bars. I had front and rear strap bars.
New custom plate that actually lights up at night with custom emblems. JDM door seals plates, all nardy. Got my custom emblem in the gauge cluster, auto headlights, some footlights, but you can't really see them right now. Has a Type S seats, but they're actually going to remove Monday. Got some Brahms coming in. Spin a mirror. Big nice subs. The news be here too. Yeah. W12 in Chattanooga. So decided to go try this place called Clumpy's. Really good, except for they won't let us inside because the Papamademic thing going down. She got ice cream. I got me mint chocolate chip. And Bay looking fire, parking illegally, but front row, gotta watch. So calling it quits tonight while Becca's feeding her fat face. Going to bed, then packing up and heading home in the morning. This is our Airbnb though. Pretty nice. Parents were here, but
The shower's short.
but they left to go home already. They ditched us. Not bad, not bad. Night, y'all. So on our way home, hit dead stop traffic going uphill, and the flaws of having one fucking leg and driving a manual. This is sucking. Well, the meet was actually really good, even though it was actually canceled because of the lovely virus going around. It showed the dedication of the car people and the car scene, so I am really, really proud of the whole situation. We had a blast. I know she did. There was a couple bad incidents, like Amari with his S14 getting hit in the rear, Martel blowing out a seal, and then I actually had a bad incident. I actually bottomed out and snapped one of my strut towers. But luckily all is fixable, thank goodness. On everybody's car, nothing was too bad. So she made it home. Good drive, actually, except for Chattanooga's mountains, but everything was good. Like I said, Riverside was actually pretty good, give or take, with all the virus going around, but all's good. Now time to get that bitch running and finish my right-hand drive hitching and get all this shit out of my garage for the right-hand drive.